The smoothie revolution, a delicious path to weight loss. Smoothies are a popular trend that has taken the health world by storm. They are not only delicious but also a convenient way to lose weight and stay healthy. Smoothies are incredibly easy to make, requiring just a few simple ingredients. You can pack them with a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Smoothies can be very effective for weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet. They are a great way to control your calorie intake, as you can measure and manage the ingredients precisely. Smoothies are also filling, which can help reduce cravings and prevent overeating throughout the day. Smoothies are quick to make, often taking just a few minutes to prepare. You can easily fit them into a busy schedule, making them perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. They are also portable. You can take them to work or school, ensuring you have a healthy option wherever you are. Overall, smoothies are a versatile tool for weight loss and can be enjoyed by people of all ages and lifestyles. They are a delicious and convenient way to improve your health, making the journey to weight loss enjoyable and sustainable. Fiber power, nature's appetite suppressant. Fiber is essential for weight loss. It helps you feel full and satisfied. This can prevent overeating. Fruits like berries and apples are high in fiber. They are also low in calories. Berries, such as strawberries and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from damage. Apples are a good source of pectin. Pectin is a type of fiber that promotes gut health. Adding these fruits to your smoothies can aid in weight loss. They help regulate digestion and keep you feeling full. Protein punch, building blocks for a leaner you. Protein is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass. It helps repair tissues and supports overall muscle health. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. This boosts your metabolism, making it easier to manage your weight. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein. It's also rich in probiotics, which are good for your gut health. It is also low in calories and fat, making it a perfect addition to a balanced diet. Protein powder is another convenient way to increase your protein intake. It's versatile and can be added to various recipes. Choose a protein powder that is low in sugar and additives. Look for ones with simple, clean ingredients. Nuts and seeds are also good sources of protein. They provide healthy fats and essential nutrients. They add a satisfying crunch to smoothies, enhancing both texture and flavor. Adding protein to your smoothies helps you feel full longer. This can reduce cravings and keep you energized throughout the day. This prevents overeating and supports muscle growth. A well-planned diet is key to achieving your fitness goals. Section 4. Healthy fats. Fueling your body the right way. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats are essential for overall health. They provide energy and support various bodily functions. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats. It adds a creamy texture to smoothies. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. They are also a good source of antioxidants. Flax seeds are another excellent source of omega-3s and fiber. They have a slightly nutty flavor. Adding healthy fats to your smoothies helps you feel satisfied. They also provide essential nutrients for your body. Section 5. Striking a balance, macronutrients for optimal weight loss. Macronutrients are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts. They are essential for energy, growth, and overall health. They include carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Each of these macronutrients plays a unique role in your body. For optimal weight loss, it's important to balance your macronutrient intake. This balance helps in maintaining energy levels and muscle mass while losing fat. This means consuming the right proportion of carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Understanding the right ratios can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. A good rule of thumb is to aim for smoothies with a moderate amount of carbohydrates from fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins and minerals. A good source of protein from Greek yogurt, protein powder, or nuts, which helps in muscle repair and growth, and a small amount of healthy fats from avocado, chia seeds, or flax seeds. These fats are crucial for brain health and hormone production. By balancing your macronutrients, you can create smoothies that are both delicious and effective for weight loss. This approach not only helps in shedding pounds but also ensures you are nourished and energized throughout the day. Section 6. Smoothie success. Tips for maximum impact. Here are some practical tips for integrating weight loss smoothies into your daily diet. Start your day with a smoothie for a nutritious and filling breakfast. Replace one meal per day with a smoothie to reduce your calorie intake. Listen to your body and adjust the ingredients and portion sizes as needed. Experiment with different flavor combinations to keep your taste buds satisfied. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these smoothies regularly and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall well-being.